In this video I'm going to show you how to save a video or an image on Snapchat. Now, if you do it this way, I just want to tell you that they will know that you actually saved that image or video, so proceed with that knowledge however you want. So first, of course, what you want to do is you want to open up your Snapchat and then go to the chats icon. Now, once you are there, if that person has sent you an image on a video, there are a few ways to save it. So if you click on this icon right side of the image, it's going to save it on Snapchat, but not on your camera roll. Once you have done that, then you can forward it to somebody else. But if you want to save it to your image gallery, you need to hold down on it and then you can choose save in chat, save to camera roll. You can even reply directly to that and some other things. So if you click to save to camera roll, at the top you can see it said saved, and then if you go to your Photos app, that image will be saved. And the process is same for every image or video you want to save from Snapchat. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you joined, leave a like, comment, subscribe.